Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending wherever you are sitting on the globe, today we are going to discuss how we can be able to prepare another solution using sodium hydroxide. And we are going to know how we can be able to prepare 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide in 5 liters. So in this case, we are supposed to start with how we can be able to calculate it first before we start tackling anything. So we are supposed also to know the relative atomic mass of this compound sodium hydroxide. And this sodium hydroxide is a compound of sodium and oxygen and hydrogen. So in this case, we are going to get the relative atomic masses of each of the following compounds, of each of the following atoms. For example, the relative atomic mass of the following atoms in sodium hydroxide compound. The relative atomic mass of sodium is 23. The relative atomic mass of oxygen is 16. The relative atomic mass of hydrogen is 16. So we get the total, the relative atomic mass of this compound, which is giving us everything 40 grams. 40 grams. So we are going to calculate this. After we have got 40 grams here, we are supposed to calculate to get the molarity. The molarity of sodium hydroxide is equals to the amount of grams that you are supposed to weigh, mass in grams per liter, divided by the relative molecular mass. So we are going to approach it this way. Since 1 molar we will weigh 40 grams to give us this of sodium hydroxide. What about for 0.5 molar? We are supposed to make 0.2 molar. So we are going to cross multiply here to get 0.2 molar times 40 grams over 1. So we are supposed to weigh how many grams here? We go back to our calculator. We say 0.2 times 40. It is giving us 8 grams. 8 grams in. We are supposed to weigh 8 grams in 1 liter. So, if we are supposed now to ask ourselves, if 8 grams in 1 liter, the concentration here will be 0.5 molar. What about for 5 liters? So we are supposed to take X grams that we don't know that we are supposed to find out. It's supposed to be weighed in 5 liters. So we are going to take this 8 grams times this over that, so that our X, we make now X the subject of the formula by saying X grams is equals to 5, we convert this one into into cubic centimeters. So now we are going to get, or we can just use it the way it is because we have used here 1 liter. So it's going to be 5 times 8 over 1. All these are the number of grams in 5 liters. So it's going to be, our X is going to be equals to, we go back to our calculator, 8. It's giving us 40 grams. 40 grams. Therefore, our conclusion is going to be using electrical balance, weigh 40 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets, and dissolve them completely in 700 cubic centimeters of distilled water. Then pour the resulting solution. The resulting solution in 5-liter volumetric flask, and top up to 5,000 cubic centimeter mark. It's supposed to be top up to 5,000 cubic centimeter mark with the distilled water. This solution, it is said it is 0.2 molar M sodium hydroxide. Now, this is now our calculation. We have seen that we are supposed now to weigh 40 grams, and then we dissolve into 700 cubic centimeters of the distilled water, and then the resulting solution is supposed to be poured into the volumetric flask, and then we top up to 5,000 cubic centimeter mark. The solution is going to be what? 0.2 molar sodium hydroxide. So let us do that. We shall meet you next time again. We shall discuss more. So let us do that very fast, and then we see how that solution is prepared. So first of all, we put on the electrical balance. Like that. Then I'm using the petri dish to weigh the mass of 40 grams sodium hydroxide. So now I must tear the mass of this petri dish first. So I have teared. So you are supposed to speed up. Since sodium hydroxide absorbs moisture from the surrounding, Therefore, it is hygroscopic in nature. We are supposed to do it very fast because it is hygroscopic. I'm forgetting to put on my mask. So I can put on, but I will put on during the reaction with the distilled water. So I'm weighing 40 grams. You do it very fast. You weigh your 40 grams sodium hydroxide like that. So this is a good. Now this is 40. You are supposed to close the container that is containing sodium hydroxide immediately because it will start absorbing moisture from the surrounding. Therefore, we are now trying to react to make the solution. So you put all the pellets inside here. After you have done that, you start now. You are supposed to put on your mask because it also produces some fumes that are very much irritating. So you stir. You stir like that. You stir until everything dissolves. As per my explanation, I've said you dissolve and dissolve them completely in 700 cubic centimeters. So this is my 700 cubic centimeter of water. So that is 500, so I'm supposed to top up with 200. Like that. That is my 200. You must take safety precautions because sodium hydroxide is very much irritating when you are reacting with water. So make sure all it dissolves, and at the same time when you are reacting sodium hydroxide with water is exothermic in nature. It produces heat to the surroundings. So even if you touch the container, it's